Ben gave us a call last summer, and we got in the car and went down and met him in Santa Monica on the pier, and had a great meal together and wonderful fellowship. And he shared his heart and his vision for producing this film, and told us a little bit about the brilliant script by Andrew Labrizzi. And I was just blown away by the storyline. You know, as a person who writes character-driven novels, I was so impressed with Andrew's development of the characters and the subject matter.
We've been asked, since mostly what we are known for is writing historical fiction, was it very different? Was it a challenge to write a contemporary like Beyond the Farthest Star? And I think the answer lies in the fact that Bodie does people really, really well. You know, issues are pretty much the same in all ages of the world when it comes to families. Whether it's people that lived 2,000 years ago or live 2 blocks down the street from you today, exploring their lives and letting you understand them and their character is what Bodie does extremely well.
And one of the things that I've learned in writing the novels that I've written are that people are pretty much full of secrets, and that's what this movie is about, is a family that is trying to hide something that is really, really profoundly difficult. Relational problems, which are so prevalent in the world and in the church today within families, communication, and you know, dealing with teen depression is something that most Christian families just do not want to acknowledge, don't want to recognize, and certainly don't want their friends to know about it. And that's what this is about. I mean, at its core, there are other issues in the novel and in the film, but at its core, it's about a family that just doesn't want the world to know what they're going through. The script was and is just brilliant. The film, the actors, I just, you know, I think some of these young people, the character of Annie and the character of Stephen in particular, and young Kyle, these young people played these roles so realistically and so authentically. I could feel it when I saw the film, and I know you're going to be able to feel it when you read the novel and see the film as well.
The novel and the film really do complement each other. You need to experience both, because the film is so riveting, captures the dramatic moments so well that you're just going to be riveted in your seat in the theater. When you do eventually leave, you're going to want to go get your friends and your neighbors and say, come see this with me. I want to see it again, and I want you to experience it too. And then the novel, when you have the chance to read it, will open up additional understanding of who the people are, who the characters are, the things that drove them, and you will just come away having a more complete understanding of everything, all of the issues and the people involved in the story.